Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will conduct a proposal seminar where I am officially as a supervisor, examiner as Fauzi Ramadhani Gunawan, and Lisa Fitri Nyakmal as a good presenter. Well, to short the time, to Fitri Nyakmal, please explain your proposal.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the opportunity for me. I will explain my proposal. The little is the implementation of clustering in technique to improve writing skills. Student recount text at MTSKP. Chapter 1 Introduction. Background of the study. The study aims to improve the writing skill of MTSKP students by grouping technique through open-ended context to find out the extent of their experiences in life. B. Research question. How to improve writing skill the student with clustering technique through recount text at MTSKP, and how to know the achievement of clustering technique in improving student writing skill through recount text at MTSKP. C. The objective of study. To find improving writing skill the student with clustering technique through recount text at MTSKP, and to know the achievement of clustering technique on improving student writing skill through recount text at MTSKP. The purpose of study. To find out the extent to which implementation in improving student writing skill and can understand the text recount text well, so later there is not more fatal error. Significance of the research. There are theoretical and practically. If scope of the research, the scope of this research includes the implementation of the clustering technique by improving student writing skill through recount text at in MTSKP. G. Definition of term. 1. Writing skill, clustering technique, and recount text. Chapter 2. Review of related literature. A. Previous study using the clustering technique in teaching writing describe text to junior high school student by Paradila Era Mona Muhammad Al-Hafiz, and through improving writing skill in descriptive text using clustering technique of 7 years of SMP Muhammadiyah Salatiga in the academic years of 2017 or 2018 by Osi Rinawati Yayan Salatiga 2018. And the last, the effectiveness of clustering technique in teaching writing recount text by Fatimatul Sohrail Batul in Yayan Salatiga 2020. B. Theoretical background. Definition writing skill is a creative edge, the edge of writing creative. 2. Clustering technique. The last definition, recount text is a part of the text rituals past event, usually in the order which they happen. C. Conceptual framework. In the study, the researchers want to teach writing but use recount text, and the study also used the clustering technique to make it easier to write well, especially in writing recount text. The hypothesis. The hypothesis in research is the clustering technique is more effective to teach writing recount that than inquiry-based learning in the 8th grade student of MTS Al-Hadi Guru Kusuma Mregan, the mark in the academic year 2019 and 2020. Chapter 3, Method of Research. A. Research method. In this method of the research is experimental research. Experimental simple form the research design. Experimental research method find the effect of certain treatment on others in controlled conditions. B. Research design. In the study uses experimental research designed to apply the use clustering technique by improving student writing skill by learning writing context. C. Population and sample. The population of this research was 8th grade students of MTS KP. The number of population was 25 students and the sample consists of 25 students, class 7A control and class B. The instrument of the research. The instrument of the research is a text writing text about recount text lesson plan. 2. Instrument the research is recount text writing test. 3. Instrument of research is recount text writing text. In this study, using a test consistent of pre-test and post-test. Procedure of data collection. Number 1, pre-test. Pre-test her before researcher use clustering. At the treatment stage, researcher gave an explanation of what kind of material clustering technique was. 3. Post-test and post-test. After post-test, pre-test and treatment. And the last, documentation. While documentation is fine about data variables such as notes, transcript, books, news, magazine, agenda, and other. And the last, technique of the data analysis. Number 1, analyze raw data, writing recount text. The score in the convert to maximum score set of score 2000 use 2000. 3. A list of classification or tests from student. And the last, the calculate of average value, standard deviation, frequency table, and base between the achievement of writing recount experimental text using SPSS statistic. I think this all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Lisa Fitriana Akmal. Now, to Fauzi Ramadhani, please give a question to Lisa.
Well, for Lisa Fitriani Akmal, can you explain the difference between your research and the research in previous study?
Okay, I will answer the question based on the research. There are some similarity and difference between this research and their research. In similarity, that is using grouping in the in teaching or technique clustering and use recount text at the research. Fatima Tuz Sohrail Batul, thesis in Yayan Salatiga 2020. And different their research. Number 1, focus on how to use clustering technique in teaching descriptive text for students. Second, this one focus of studying descriptive text, the text which clustering technique for data meaning to improve writing skill, especially describing things. 3. Hard the focus to determine effective or using clustering technique in learning student. And the last, and this research focus to how to improve writing skills student who recount text with use clustering technique. I think this all. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much to Lisa Fitriana to explain your proposal. And Saudi Rahman Gunawan, the examiner. Let's say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.